What's up everyone, MrTech here. So in this video we'll be replacing the back glass and the front LCD of the Nexus 4. Okay, so I couldn't really find the back cover with the bezel, so I've only been able to get the glass part, so now we have to remove it from the bezel that we already have. We'll also do a battery replacement on this phone. So I had to get a second-hand LCD that's not cracked, because I couldn't really find a new one. So firstly we'll be removing the back two screws. These screws hold the back cover in place. Then I'm going to just remove the SIM tray because you can't take the back cover off without taking the SIM tray out. Okay, so this part takes a while. You have to basically get this plastic piece inside, and it's got clips, so be careful not to break the clips. So you just put it in and nudge it out, it'll just come out, but don't flex it too much because it's got glass on the back, especially if your glass is not broken and you just want to change the LCD. You don't want to flex it too much because the back is actually glass. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do after we're inside is remove the two screws for the battery and take the battery out, and then we'll take it from there. So now I'm going to proceed removing all the screws. So while removing the back plastic, I've managed to basically snap it in half, so now my back plastic is in two parts. We're going to now start taking all the connections off first, and then we'll be removing the main board and the bottom earpiece or speaker part. But I just do this with a plastic tool just not to damage the ports, because if it's damaged it's useless then. So the next thing we're going to do after unplugging everything is we're going to transfer the parts onto the new LCD. Some parts should have some adhesive, but we're not going to bother for this phone. There's no point. So make sure you remember the little pieces like the volume rockers and things like that, because you tend to forget these things. So I'll just put it back. There you go. After putting everything back, I'll just push it in firmly to make sure it is actually in there, as I'm not going to be gluing it in or anything like that. Okay, so we're going to put the plastic cover back on, as mine is in two pieces because I cracked it when I opened it, but yours will be in one piece. This battery is not genuine, I just got it off eBay. Should do the job. I'm going to just take the adhesive off and put the battery straight in. Okay, so for this part, I have to basically separate the bezel from the glass itself. So the glass is heavily cracked, therefore I'll have to use heat to remove it. Basically, it will come into like bits, so I'll wear eye protection and be careful. And it's easier if you can actually buy the bezel in it, the whole unit, but I couldn't find it, therefore I had to take this route. Again, I'm going to just put the antenna back. Yeah, the adhesive might not be sticking anymore, but I'll just tape it on the top or something like that. This is the antenna for the phone. Okay, so all done now. I'm going to just click it back onto the phone itself. Make sure I click it all the way through because it has got clips, and then I'll proceed to put the screws back in. Okay, so the first charge is working perfectly, everything's fine. So if this video has been helpful to you, please like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram.